doesn't like the smell. This is completely dry, but when it's fresh, it's a green. If you like to cook, you use a
Oh, yes.
Curcuma.
Curcuma.
Yes.
Yes.
Ground with the root, almost half of the spices or quarter and half of the spices growing to pick it, but this one is growing in the root, starting with the flowers, like you can see, and this is the spices itself. This is the baby one, but it's growing bigger. You cut it into half, you remove the heart, you peel the skin, boiling with the salt. Aloe vera.
Aloe vera.
We use it mostly for medicine.
Yes.
If you have an ear problem, we cut it aloe vera, we put in the heat.
Okay.
If it's gas or if the electricity is cooked the jelly inside. Because of the trade of the slaves, they brought the spices in Zanzibar. We have a very good soil, so the quality of the spices what we have is 100 times better than the places where it's come from. This is why they call us Spice Island, because during 1886, the clove of Zanzibar was the best clove in the world than the places where it's come from. You will taste it now,
Yes.
smell, and then also even see how it grows, the spices.
Great.
Twende.
Okay. 20.
Different types of the fruit too. Like I think you already tested the fruit from Zanzibar. Like a mango,
Yeah, of course.
lychee, and other stuff. Also is coming. They brought it, but the same things. Once they brought it in here, I think they regret to brought it in here.
Because it grows very well.
Yes, it's grown very well. The taste is also is coming naturally, delicious.
Okay.
If you see the huge tree on that side, Mimosa, the famous in the Asia countries. The smells like a hell, but the taste is delicious.
It's called?
Let's go and see. It's a spunky one. During the season, you can't sit around it because when it's ripe, it's falling itself. Hakuna tele lilo nini? Some other Asia countries, they are not allowed also to take this in the hotel because of the smell.
Yeah.
People, they doesn't like the smell. This is completely dry, but when it's fresh, it's a green. You can touch it, stinky.
Oh, yeah.
But when it's green, it's completely stinky. This is a durian.
Durian.
You know the durian fruit? The smell is like a hell, but taste is delicious. So it's coming from these three, the huge one. Now it's out of season. This is why you can't see
any
anything.
fruits.
Yeah. And you can see also from the huge tree, after tired of many years, it's stopping produce the fruit.
Ah, okay.
So they use this one to making the dough.
Okay.
Wood board.
Wood boat.
Yes. Also the in here is growing in the root. This is all what you see in here. The small plant there.
You mean this plant?
This is completely dry leaves,
Mm-hmm.
but you can see the fresh one there. You can smell the leaves. Almost 90% we prefer traditional medicine before we go to the doctor.
It smells nice.
It's like
If you like to cook, you use a
oh yes,
Curcuma.
curcuma.
Yes.
Yes.
So that's the dry of the curcuma.
Ah,
Oh, this is cool. Ah, well,
Yes.
this is
Dry
no,
curcuma.
very nice.
Yes.
Okay.
But I didn't know that the leaves are also very
We
nice.
use it also for medicine too.
Yes. You can cook
You can
it.
taste it, you can smell, you can taste it also.
Anyway.
It's antioxidant.
Yes.
We use it a lot also to making in a beauty product. When the leaves are changing completely to be dry,
Then
then
you can take
it's
it out.
ready. You can take it out, you can harvest the root.
Okay.
So this is come from the root.
Yes. Yes.
Similar as a pumpkin, yeah? But for you, use a pumpkin like to make a soup pumpkin.
Yeah.
For us, we cook a sweet.
You cook it sweet.
Yes, we boil it, put it as a usual. Coconut milk
Ah.
and the sugar, cardamom, cinnamon.
Delicious.
It's the same things what we cook with the papaya also,
Ah.
but unripe one.
Okay.
Maybe it's come a little bit closer to be ripe, but not
Not
really
truly
sweet.
sweet. Okay. Yeah. Fine to know.
You have also problem from the going to the toilet.
Mm. Yeah?
You can eat papaya, ripe
Yes.
one.
Yes.
Yeah,
The
it's
ripe one.
helping,
Yes.
yeah. Helping a lot. You make
This one.
yeah. The only spice is growing underground with the root. Almost half of the spices, or quarter and half of the spices, growing to pick it. But this one is growing in the root, starting with the flowers, like you can see,
Mm-hmm.
and this is the spices itself.
Okay.
But it's not ready. This is why you can see still is green,
Mm-hmm.
because it's not ready.
Okay.
Once it's coming dry,
Mm-hmm. Ah, it comes like this.
it's come like this.
Okay.
The cardamom.
This is the cardamom.
It's in the Indian dish, but it's a little bit.
You can chew also.
Yeah.
The more you get smell, you can smell also. So from this
Let me put like
to this.
okay. Yeah. You
In
see?
every year 2 times we harvest. It's the same like in turmeric. When the cardamom is ready, the leaf change the color to be yellow and dry. This is the time we're telling you that it's ready for harvest.
Okay.
Or sometimes you can see it's just falling, drop it down there because it's completely dry. Then we take it
Oh, you put it in.
and we start using. Or sometimes when the color is changing to be yellow, that is also is ready.
Totally.
Then we harvest, we dry it in the sun, is ready.
Okay.
This is the cardamom. In Swahili we call hiliki.
Hiliki.
It's good also for sweet dishes, like the papaya one, the pumpkins. Also, there's another sweet dishes where I can tell you. Also, we're using this one to make it also the spice tea.
And in India,
Indian dishes.
they use it a lot.
Yes, even us, but mostly in a sweet dish. Not in the salt dish. In the salt dish, maybe the spice rice that we use in this one.
Okay.
Also, it's a medicine for the baby if they cry during the night. Yeah, we pound this one.
Yeah.
We put in the water, warm water, and we give the baby to drink.
Wow.
It's helping to keep them sleep calmly.
Oh, that is good to know. Yes,
Yeah,
that's good.
plantation.
Kwa vitu pesa wakagoma kuzitoa, wanamtaka Selemani.
That's the fruit. We're not eating as a fruit. This is, we cook first before we eat. If you hear the name of the breadfruit, that's the breadfruit.
Okay.
But becomes much bigger than this.
Yes, this is still the baby one, but it's growing bigger. You cut it into half, you remove the heart, you peel the skin, boiling with the salt.
Okay.
Once you boil it, it's coming soft like a bread.
Ah.
This is why they call it breadfruit. Original on these trees come from Seychelles, eh?
Seychelles.
Yes, they brought them, the same like in other spices. They brought from Seychelles to Zanzibar. And because it's come from Seychelles, this is why us as a Swahili we call shelly shelly. Because it's come
It's a
from
nice tree.
Seychelles.
I like the leaves. It's nice form.
Light. So they are not using often to make it furniture. Because first the ants can go straight to eat the wood, and also it's very light. And we have a two seasons, the cold and the hot season. When it's hot, it's okay, but once it's coming cold, if maybe you have a bed, it's coming to be like smaller. Or sometimes if you build the door from that, sometimes it can't close. Yes.
Works.
So this is why they don't like to use it. But if the people they can't afford the wood one, then they use it. Yeah, but it's very light. Even the charcoal or the firewood, what they're using for cooking, is very light. Even the water is not boiling yet. The wood is finished.
Okay.
Everything's not buying. It's come from surrounded your places.
Okay.
Like the roof is comes from the coconut palm there,
Yes.
and also the mud is all around it. You can just take it the mud, and also the stone is everywhere where you can collect it and build the houses.
Okay.
2-room kitchen outside, and also the bathroom is outside.
Yes.
The last flower of the sea.
Yes.
We call them mimosa.
Mimosa. Yes.
Or touch me not. Once you touch
yes.
it, yeah, it's sleeping.
It's sleeping.
So
yes.
I have to make when I'm studying in primary schools, I have to make sure all they are sleeping. After they finish to sleep, then I take the way to go to school. But I must make sure first they are all going to sleep.
Nature is wonderful. Huh?
Yeah, it's true. Yeah. After a few minutes, then
They come back.
yeah, they
come
come back.
But why?
This
What?
one because they coming back again because they're not dying. And this is also medicine for asthma.
Asthma.
The root
Okay.
of the mimosa. You cut it, wash it very well, boiling, and you drink.
Wow.
The nice yellow flowers.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
But for me, still And why a plant has to do this? Is it for birds not be eaten?
Yeah, I think from maybe the protected, maybe
I think so.
from the protected itself. If maybe you want to cut it, then it's coming like that. Then say, ah no, this is not good. Let me.
I think so.
Yeah.
De aloe vera.
I love it.
What is this?
Aloe
That
vera.
is aloe vera.
Aloe vera.
We use it mostly for medicine.
Yes.
If you have an ear problem, we cut it, aloe vera, we put in the heat.
Okay.
If it's gas or if the electricity is cooked the jelly inside.
Yeah.
So you drop it in your eyes, helping to clean and helping also to remove the pain. Not because I hear from my grandmother, but I use it also and it's work.
Okay.
Aloe vera.
You don't need medicine. The nature gives you so many things, everything.
So the aloe vera we use it as medicine. Sometimes also if you feel it like scratching, we take it. Aloe vera also is helping. From now times, most of the technology is coming up, so we use it also for hair. We're using also to make it our face to be clean.
Yes.
Aloe vera. We call the same,
Yeah.
in Swahili, aloe vera.
Aloe vera, the
Yes,
same than
yes.
in English. Okay.
We don't have another name.
Okay.